Logging is the unsung hero of troubleshooting. First, we'll explore the default logging in DataStage, because if you don't know what's happening, good luck fixing it. Then we'll make sure our audit logs capture all the juicy details. Nobody likes an overstuffed file, so we'll talk about customizing size and retention. Finally, we'll take control and manually log key events, because sometimes you've got to write your own story. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine running a complex ETL job and something goes wrong. Without logs, it's like searching for a needle in a haystack. Logging helps track execution, understand errors, and keep things running smoothly. We have different logging levels, ranging from "Hey, everything's great," to "Houston, we have a problem." And of course, we'll cover some best practices to ensure logging is not just useful, but actually makes life easier. Logs come in all shapes and sizes. Some tell us what happened, some warn us of disasters, and others help improve efficiency. Job logs are like diaries of execution. Error logs are the uh-oh moments. Audit logs ensure nobody's sneaking around your data, and performance logs help us squeeze out every bit of efficiency. Logging isn't just about tracking, it's about preventing headaches down the line. ETL processes without logging are like flying blind, bad idea. Debugging failures is impossible without a good logging trail. Data integrity depends on knowing what changed and why. Compliance teams love logs, and they're scary when you don't have them. Lastly, performance monitoring helps us optimize workflows, making sure jobs don't take forever. Logging isn't just an afterthought, it's your secret weapon for success. All right, folks, let's dive into querying logs from DSODB schema. First, knowing your log structure is like knowing your way around a messy closet. It saves time. Next, SQL queries are your power tools. Use them wisely. Filtering logs based on timestamps and severity helps you separate the crucial stuff from the noise. And of course, analyzing logs offers performance insights that can make or break your system. So let's get querying. Time to clean house. Old logs are like expired snacks, best to get rid of them. First, identify which logs are no longer needed. Then automate the process so you're not doing manual cleanup forever. And compliance is key, so stick to retention policies to avoid legal headaches. And don't forget to monitor disk space, otherwise your system might be hoarding junk like an old attic. Managing logs well is like organizing a library. You need a system. A standardizing format ensures consistency across logs. Log rotation prevents log files from growing into unmanageable monsters. Security is a must, so lock logs up with proper access controls. And finally, centralized logging makes analysis a breeze. You don't want to be Sherlock Holmes every time you need insights. Wouldn't it be great if logs monitored themselves? Good news, they can. Use tools for real-time log analysis so you're not sifting through them manually. Alerts help you stay ahead of critical issues. Dashboards. They give you a bird's-eye view of everything at a glance. And automating anomaly detection means you spot problems before they become nightmares. Troubleshooting logs is like solving a mystery, except there's no detective hat needed. First, track down missing log entries. Incomplete logs can be frustrating. Format inconsistencies. Fix them before chaos reigns. If retrieving logs feels like waiting for a slow elevator, optimize that performance. And too much logging. Be selective or you'll drown in data instead of insights. We made it. Effective log management is crucial for system health. We've covered queries, purging, best practices, automation, and troubleshooting. Sounds like a superhero's toolkit. Automation is the future, saving time and reducing errors. And speaking of the future, logging will evolve with AI and smarter analytics. Stay ahead and keep those logs in check. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.